For the longest time, human life has been lived from the neck up. Decisions are made there, words repeat there, meaning is searched for there. The body is treated like a vehicle that must keep functioning, while everything important happens elsewhere. And yet, the body has never been passive. It has been receiving signals continuously in the form of patterns. Patterns of motion, patterns of sound, patterns of stress and release. Long before words formed thoughts, these patterns were already shaping clarity or confusion. The body isn't mute, it speaks through alignment. When its inner movements are disordered, life feels hurried, even when nothing urgent is happening. Speech becomes sharp or hollow. Silence feels uncomfortable. Energy drains without injury. It is misplaced orchestration first, defect next. Ancient knowledge did not describe the body as an obstacle to clarity. It described it as a threshold, a place where forces meet, a chamber where movement either scatters or resolves. What the body remembers is the life of how coordination feels. There was once a natural joining, neither mystical nor special, between breathing, inner sound, and awareness. They were not separate actions. They were a single motion, expressing itself in three ways. When this joining loosened, effort replaced coherence, control replaced listening. This is why thinking alone never repairs the system. Thought arrives after motion. Meaning arrives after sound. Fulfillment arrives after rhythm. When breathing moves without interference, a subtle resonance appears. A felt continuity. When that continuity is present, the mind doesn't scramble into urgency. Words slow down before they are spoken. The body stops tensing against the next moment. Sound does not begin in the mouth. It begins in the body's stability and blooms in layers. When the body is aligned, it does not decay under time. It ages, but it does not corrode. Experiences pass through without lodging. Memory does not harden into identity. Even intensity completes itself and leaves. This is why ancient teachings placed liberation inside the body. Because when the inner channels are coherent, the body becomes transparent to awareness, instead of resistant to it. Nothing supernatural follows, but something decisive does. Life stops feeling like a sequence that must be managed. Each moment finishes itself. Speech loses excess. Silence gains weight. The body stands as a single piece instead of a collection of reactions. The body was never meant to be escaped. It was always meant to be tuned. When it is, knowledge appears as recognition, quiet, impersonal, unmistakable. And the person does not become someone else. They simply stop being scattered across time.